Here is a word that instantly makes your English sound more polished and professional. Most people use adjust or manage, but the real power word is accommodate. Accommodate means to provide what is needed for someone or something: space, time, support, or adjustment. It also means changing your plan to fit a new situation. A common mistake is thinking accommodate only refers to rooms or hotels. In formal English, you can accommodate requests, accommodate changes, accommodate ideas, or accommodate schedules. Useful patterns: accommodate someone's request, accommodate changes, be unable to accommodate guests, accommodate the new deadline. These patterns show flexibility and support. Examples: we can accommodate your schedule. The hall can accommodate 500 people. She adjusted the plan to accommodate new requirements. The team could not accommodate last-minute changes. A company asked a designer to deliver work in 2 days instead of 5. She replied, "I can accommodate the request by reorganizing my tasks." The client was impressed. She sounded capable, flexible, and professional. Remember, accommodate is a room that can hold more. It accommodates extra letters, 2 C's and 2 M's. If a word can accommodate more letters, it can help you remember the spelling easily. Use accommodate to sound flexible, helpful, and skilled. Comment if you want the next powerful English word explained.